Welcome to the London Outlook for Thursday, the 8th of February 2024. As usual, starting off with the economic calendar, as we can see, we have one red folder news event for 30 minutes into the New York session, so nothing too relevant for our London trading. It's not so significant that we should trade positions beforehand. However, it is significant news, and we'll chat about it some more in the New York Outlook. Then moving on to the charts, in terms of the 4-hour, we know that yesterday we validated the pullback phase, and we can expect price to pull back all the way into this pro trend extreme, with the pullback phase ultimate objective being to reach this area. Having said that, since there's no 4H pro trend OB that we're tapping into right now, as you can see, this 4H OB was body broken right here. Our next options for continuing the pro trend move is when price reacts to this buy to sell wick, or this window of imbalance area, or the pro trend extreme. Like I said previously, because we recently just confirmed bearish market structure, it's likely that we get significant pullbacks. Having said all of that, now that we know that we are in the pullback phase and that we don't have backing for developing that pro trend primary leg to target the swing structure, we only have reasons to trade to the long side. That does simplify our trading quite a bit for today, as it means we're only trading long. In terms of the leg we are trading, it was essentially established a few days ago, so our trading plan is quite simple. Since we have yesterday's previous low of the day formed before the high of the day, yesterday's daily direction is to the upside, and this is pretty much what you'll see on the daily candle with a daily bullish candle. So having said that, given that the current day hasn't extended the leg in the current day, we essentially anchor our fib to the previous low of the day and the previous high of the day, with the most valid POI being this 15-minute demand chain resting here at the extreme, and you can see there's a bit of a window of imbalance situated in and around this area. So I've got an entry set right here with a stop loss below here, anticipating that price may come to the downside as such, take us in and then continue on its way up. That's pretty much my London outlook for today. Just to summarize, we're only interested in longs, and my primary idea is for price to come deeper into this previous high and low of the day, so we can execute on an entry right here that aligns well with the fib and is a valid POI that's well and precisely drawn. The other alternative is in the current day, when Frankfurt or London breaks the previous high of the day and extend this leg right here, we can then anchor our fib to the current low of the day, which is right there. Perhaps that's something worth marking out quickly. So we've got this pre-Asia low of the day. It's not yet validated. It will be validated when Frankfurt opens and takes out the Asia range high. Until we actually get the previous high of the day candle body break to tell us that the current day is extending the current day leg. Until that point, this is the only valid entry point. Once we do have a new high of the day as a result of an extension of this pullback phase primary leg, then we can anchor our fib as such and look for appropriate POIs within this area here. It does appear that there is somewhat of a chain that has built itself up. So having said all of that, that's pretty much my London outlook. I hope you have a good day, and we'll chat again for the New York outlook.